Welcome to the timeless sanctuary nestled within the heart of Paris, Parc Monceau. Today we invite you on a journey through this enchanting oasis, where history, nature and art intertwine to create an experience unlike any other. As we step through the grand wrought iron gates adorned with gold, let us pause to appreciate the craftsmanship and vision that went into crafting this entrance. These gates not only serve as a portal to Parc Monceau, but also as a symbol of the elegance and sophistication that awaits within. First conceived in the 17th century under the patronage of the Duke of Chartres, Philippe d'Orléans, Parc Monceau has evolved over the centuries, yet its essence remains unchanged. It is a testament to the enduring legacy of its creator and the timeless allure of nature's embrace. Unlike the formal gardens that dot the Parisian landscape, Parc Monceau stands out for its English style, a departure from rigid symmetry in favour of organic layouts and meandering pathways. This design choice, curated by the visionary Louis Carmontelle, invites visitors to wander freely and discover hidden treasures around every corner. As we traverse the park's lush landscapes, let us take a moment to admire the majestic trees that tower above us, their verdant canopies offering shelter and shade. These ancient guardians have witnessed centuries of history unfold and serve as a reminder of the enduring power of nature's resilience. But Parc Monceau is more than just a haven for flora and fauna. It is a living museum where echoes of the past reverberate through its tranquil corridors. From the Renaissance archway salvaged from the former Paris City Hall to the whimsical follies that dot the landscape, each feature tells a story of bygone eras and forgotten legends. Surrounded by opulent mansions and cultural treasures like the Musée Parc Monceau is a microcosm of Parisian elegance and refinement. Yet, amidst the splendour, there is an air of accessibility and inclusivity that welcomes visitors from all walks of life. Parc Monceau opens its gates daily from sunrise to sunset, offering visitors ample opportunity to immerse themselves in its beauty. During the summer months, the park extends its hours, allowing for leisurely strolls and tranquil evenings beneath the stars. With 9 gated entries monitored by a 5th-generation park watchman, Parc Monceau ensures the safety and security of all who enter its hallowed grounds. From the Royal Rotunda at the north entrance, this watchman oversees the comings and goings, preserving the park's tranquility for generations to come. For those arriving by public transport, the entrance to Paris Metro Station Monceau is conveniently located at the park's main entrance on Boulevard de Courcelles, offering easy access to visitors from near and far. As the sun sets on another day in Parc Monceau, let us reflect on the timeless allure of this enchanting sanctuary. Whether you're a curious traveller or a seasoned local, may you find inspiration and solace amidst its verdant embrace. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Parc Monceau, a testament to the enduring beauty of nature and the timeless spirit of Paris.